So this aquatic plant is in the carrot family, like typical carrot family. Plants got thin, very dissected leaves, and an umbel, or kind of an upside down umbrella of flowers. So each flower head has tons and tons of them. Java dropwort is an introduced species and actually a nasty invasive species. This thing got introduced as a food and medicinal plant. It's quite popular and so forth, and it was probably introduced on purpose into wetland areas as a plant that they could then harvest for medicinal and edible reasons. The problem, of course, is that this thing just spreads like crazy. It doesn't have any natural controls, and so it quickly covers a whole area. And by doing so, it starts to very slowly out compete the surrounding vegetation and the aquatic plants that normally would grow there. So it's a nasty invasive. We've already, here in Arlington County, eliminated from a couple of parks, and people keep planting the thing, and it keeps showing up in our waterways. So again, we're going to have to get rid of this one again. It's and again, it's an invasive plant that spreads like crazy. You can see this little flower head has hundreds and hundreds of flowers, and those hundreds of flowers can produce hundreds of seeds, and so it quickly out multiplies and out produces, out competes a lot of the native vegetation, competing with it, smothering out, making use of limited resources, including water and space, and then it just takes over. So Java dropwort, a nasty member of the carrot family that's been introduced from Asia and is something that we try to eradicate. Java dropwort.